What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's summertime, but hey, I was craving some potato soup, so I decided to break the camera out and show y'all how to make my recipe. Now, this is going to be a real quick video, so let's jump right into it. Okay, let's start off by peeling and cutting up 2 pounds of washed potatoes. I like to cut mine this thick. You can make yours smaller or larger, it's up to you. Now, let's fry up a few slices of bacon. I like to use the whole 16-ounce pack. You can use less or more if you like. Feel free to tweak this recipe and make it your own. While this bacon is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and dice up 1 whole onion. Once the bacon is finished, we're gonna toss the diced onion right in the bacon grease. If it's too much grease, just pour a little bit out. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then you're gonna cook the onions down until they soften up. While we wait for the onions, I'm gonna add 6 cups of chicken stock to a large pot. Then you're gonna throw in your diced potatoes, followed by your onions and garlic. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now I'm gonna turn the heat up high, give it a stir, and we're gonna bring it to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting on the potatoes to come to a boil, we're gonna get started on our roux. This is gonna thicken up the soup. To the same pan we used to cook the bacon, we're gonna add 2/3 cups of butter and let that melt. Once that melts, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and give that a mix. And once this is mixed together and starts to thicken a little bit, we're gonna slowly incorporate 2 cups of milk into the mix. Once it's mixed together, we're gonna pour this roux right into the pot with the potatoes and onions. Gonna mix it well until everything is combined. After stirring for a few minutes, we're gonna add 2 cups of milk. You're gonna bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to a medium and add in your bacon and 8 ounces of sour cream. Once that's mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and add 2.5 cups of cheddar cheese. After that, we're gonna add 1 cup of green onions. Now let's get this all mixed up. Now after pouring into a bowl, I like to add a little extra cheese on top, some extra bacon, more green onion, and a dollop of sour cream. And that's it. Now we have loaded potato soup. Like I said earlier, feel free to take out or add in what you want. Make this recipe your own. If you tried this recipe out, let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. And if you like this video, hit that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.